Hello, good morning. We wish to show you how to get an upload package 174 millimeters to reduce the document's length and times 174, and then cross fold in order to get 221 millimeters vertical folds. To get this, we go to custom folds. I already set up custom 3 for our purposes. So first panel 174, we save, we ask for the second panel 174 again, and the third panel or the odd panel will be 174. We save, the machine is ready. So now we feed our A0 side with the title box and legenda in the upper right corner, and we do the first process, tenfold, dividing n times panels 174 millimeters. Okay, so now we got everything's folded 174 millimeters. Now we have to make the cross fold. So we turn the document upside down, and through the keyboard now we selected the cross fold. So to select the second fold, we just press the second fold and select, and we can start to fold. Even the keyboard shows 210 because it's the standard. We are customizing the fold parameters in order to get 221 millimeters. So with the leading edge title box, we feed our documents laid down. We guide the documents inside, and the machine will fold. Here we are. Precisely 174 by 221.